How can I move on when I'm still in love with you? 'Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where on this earth I could be, thinking maybe you'll come back here to replace that with me, and you'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving, I'm not moving.
Go, Cap. Kaya mo yan. Nice one, Cap, please. Ang galing mo. Oh! Let's go, Cap. Let's go, Cap. Let's go.
Kahit tayo kung saan
Let's go, Cap. Let's go, Cap.
I'm sorry, Clifford, but that means you have just been evicted.
Uy, pangako mong walang magbabago hanggang muling magkita tayo.